Hey guys, Steve here. Great, you made it. You're an action taker. I like it. So in this video, I want to show you how you can claim your free bot system. Yes, it's absolutely free. And in this video, I just want to make sure you understand what the free bot system is. And I want you to understand what to expect on the next page because I want to make sure you get your copy. And it may be confusing. So I'm just going to do a little quick recap and let you know what to expect. So what the free bot system is, it's the game-changiest marketing platform, right? It uses Facebook Messenger technology to promote any opportunity. I mean, just come up with an opportunity. It can promote from realty to affiliate marketing, from offline opportunities to online opportunities. I mean, anything, it uses that same, because let's face it, Facebook does the same thing to us, right? They have us all on one platform, then they charge corporations to market to us. So we're using the same strategies. So that's what this technology does. It puts the power in the business person's hands, into entrepreneurs' hands, right? So you can use it to promote anything. And a couple examples are, like I said, realty. How about promote your YouTube channel? How about promote your Facebook page? How about promote your website? How about promote? You can do anything. The sky's the limit. That's what the power of this marketing system does. And in the end, you can make a compensation or a commission off of it, and you really don't even have to pay. So as a free member, you can earn commission. So that secret's out, right? But anyway. So there's two ways to get to the next page. One is the button below, and one is the messenger icon in the bottom right-hand corner, which I prefer because it's a lot funner. But wait, before you press that, let me show you what to expect. So you're gonna hit this page here, and this is very important. You need to just fill it out, put your name, a good email, right? And I would put your government name and an email in here, and actually a phone number so you can get contacted when this rolls out. Come June 1st, you can make sure you get your copy. Because until then, you're going to have a pre-launch copy that's going to allow you to share it to others. The more you share, the more potential, the more you're spreading it out, the more leads you generate, the more leads your downline generates, and so on and so forth, right? So anyway, you come here, you can watch these videos here, but ultimately complete this. And once you do that, you're going to be taken to this here. Now, when you get here, this is what's going to happen. You're going to be presented with this. Disregard this. This is just saying, hey, check your spam folder later, right? But don't leave the page. So just close it and scroll down here and immediately copy this. All of this here. Like it says, please copy and save these links. Why? Because this right here is this is the link that you're going to use to share this free bot system. You're going to use that link right here to give it away. And by giving it away, it builds your downline. And by your downline giving it away, it builds their downline, right? Ultimately creating a endless lead list, okay? So, and this other link here is your personal support page that you can use to review the compensation plan for free members, because like I said, as a free member, you can generate commissions. That's why it's important for you to keep these links, right? And then as you come down further, you see these resources, links to share on social media, banner ads, Facebook covers, video marketing, or video marketing videos that you can download. Training is Monday through Saturday. That's the schedule down here. Frequently asked questions, personal scripts, and also professionally written emails. The more you scroll down, you'll see that there's the compensation plan, and right here, it explains to you how you can make money just by being a free member. Also, it has other streams of income that you may be interested in, but it's all on the page, and I'll leave that here. And then down here, it is show your lead list, and how many sharers you have on your particular branch of the free bot system family tree. As I said before, this is a lead generation, sales multiplication. It's a sales multiplying, lead generating free bot system. Okay, so it's definitely a marketing system that's going to change the game because it's a game changer, right? So anyway, once you get there, you're going to do all of that. So now, all you need to do is either take the fun way and click the messenger bot in the bottom right hand corner, or go the boring way. Who wants to press the boring yellow button under the video? It's your choice. I prefer the fun way because that'll show you the power of the free bot system and walk you through, and you'll see what all the hype is about. So make your choice. Click the link or click the messenger icon in the bottom right hand corner, and I'll see you on the inside.